CMB is essentially like looking at a baby photo of the universe. In a nutshell, the CMB is our key to understanding the universe's origins. It provides us with a snapshot of the early universe, a cosmic echo of the Big Bang. Its discovery has changed the way we perceive our cosmic neighborhood, helping us fathom the captivating question of the universe's origin. The CMB is not just a cool scientific concept, but a profound testament to our quest for knowledge. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars, but echoes of the universe's infancy.